Hi, my name is Gabrielle Moore. I am working towards my bachelor's degree here at Boise State University in the Multidisciplinary Studies program. I have been married for 27 years and have two children, and I work at St. Luke's Hospital as the manager of patient and family housing. The MDS program, or Multidisciplinary Studies program, is a degree completion program designed for working adults like myself with 58 or more credits, a 2.25 GPA, and 5 or more years of work-life experience. Why the MDS program, you may ask? Well, really, I just wanted the quickest path to a degree completion. I appreciated the freedom that it offered me to design my own path and the freedom that the flexibility of online, partial, or complete online learning offered. If you are considering a degree in multidisciplinary studies, you need to contact their department and speak with an advisor. Please reach out to them at mds@boisestate.edu. Thank you.